Good morning, everyone. It's me, Riley King, reporting live here outside our studios in Deerfield, New Hampshire. Um, and welcome to the Riley King Newscast, 10 a.m. edition / your 2019 first major snowstorm of the year. We are live here outside our studios doing our 10 a.m. broadcast, and looks like we didn't get a lot of snow here in Deerfield. Like probably a couple inches, I would say. I'll show you. This is some and I don't know if you can hear the little ice pellets dropping now from the sky and hitting my jacket. Take a listen. So, it's very cold and things. And, the ice pellets are pelting down. I might put my glasses on, my sunglasses. But ice pellets are coming down from the sky. It's like freezing rain, freezing little ice pellets right now here in Deerfield, New Hampshire. And, wicked cold. We're walking down the driveway to see what the road conditions look like, I think we're in our driveway. We're either in our driveway or I'm not sure where we are. Hard to tell where our driveway is. My fingers are a little cold. Oh my god. There's ice pellets helping my face. Everyone. Let us know what the conditions are in your area. Just comment below and let us know. And putting my glasses on to protect my eyes. So we're making our way down to see what the road looks like down below. So, if you do not need to go anywhere today, stay home until this whole storm is over with and things. It is just messy and slick conditions with ice pellets dropping and there could be possible power outages as well. So, yeah. But we're making our way down to see what the road conditions look like if you're joining us, just joining us for our 10 a.m. hour outside in the elements. Fingers are a little cold, but that's okay. Making our way down. Making our way down the driveway. Right now, everyone. Check out what the road is. I could hear every once in a while I heard cloud trucks driving by, so that was good news there. Fingers are cold. Okay, the wind is blowing hard down here, as you can see and hear. Wicked windy right now. The wind just picked up, everyone. Oh. Here's a look at what our roadway looks like. Right now, this is what the roadway looks like, as you can see, everyone. So, the roadways look a little pavement, we can see, so that's a little good, but probably slick and things. So, very windy. The wind just picked up down below the driveway, and these ice pellets are like bouncing, and very cold. My fingers are cold. If you don't need to go anywhere, stay home and wait until the storm is done. And temps will be dropping wicked low. Tonight's low is 2 degrees. Tomorrow, high is only 7 degrees. So we're making our way back up the driveway, back to our studio. It's cold weather. Fingers are cold. We are making our way up. You can hear the ice pellets. You can kind of hear them bouncing on coat right now and things. I put sunglasses on to protect my eyes. The ice pellets were hurting a little and things like that. We're working our way back up the driveway, back into the warm house and studio conditions. If you do go outside, adventure out and things, bundle up, lots of layers, good gloves, not the fingerless ones, but I do have these I should have put on, but I need to use the fingerless ones to run the phone and camera. So that's why. But almost up there. Very cool. Slippery driveway. I can feel the ice underneath. That would be bad if I slipped down there. Almost up the driveway. So, we'll do our 2 more broadcasts, our 11 a.m. broadcast and our afternoon broadcast inside where it's warm. But we thought we would take you outside, the elements for a little bit. Just listen to this ice pellets hit the coat. Listen closely. So we made it back up. That's going to do it for my 10 a.m. edition of our special storm edition of the Riley King Newscast right here on the Riley King Network. Goodbye, everyone.